Welcome to the Rebels Funding video section. In this video, we will show you how to set up and activate a trailing stop on the mobile platform. The first step is to go to the Account section at the top right, above the chart. Activating the trailing stop on our platform can be done in two ways. The first method is through one-click trading. Additionally, enable Use SL and TP for market orders, configure your default trade settings, and click the Save button to save the settings. After saving the settings, let's try to open any trade to verify if our settings are functioning correctly. We will open a buy position on ZOST. Then we can check the position in Positions section. Subsequently, we can check the position in the Positions section and we click on Trade. Then appear Trade Details, and we can see that our trailing stop is 15 pips. In this image, you can check how trailing stop works. You can pause video. The second option to activate a trailing stop is through the Modify Trade feature. This means turning off one-click trading and use SL and TP for market orders in the settings. After saving these changes, I will try to open a trade and modify the trailing stop in the Positions section after it's opened. We will confirm the trade modification and check whether the trade has been adjusted successfully, ensuring that we have successfully added the trailing stop. Unfortunately, the trailing stop won't be visually displayed on the chart, but once you enter it, the system will respect your settings. If the market reaches the trailing stop value at any point, the trade will automatically close for you. A trailing stop is a type of protective trading strategy. For example, if you set a trailing stop at 5 and the price of an asset rises to $100, the trailing stop will monitor the peak value, in this case, $100, and automatically set a stop loss level at $95, 5 lower. If the price falls to $95 or below, the trade will be closed, minimizing potential losses. Important to know: the trailing stop is an independent and separate instruction, functioning regardless of the stop loss, unlike what you might be familiar with in MT4. Be cautious when setting default values. If you do not want to use trailing stop, set them to 0, applies to one-click trading.